Hello, everyone. Hope we are all doing very well this morning. Today, again, we have come to learn Igbo language. As you know, we've been learning verbs over the past 3 weeks, and we have not ended. Like I told you, there are many verbs to learn, and we keep doing it gradually until we can learn as many as we can. So, today we're going to look at isu akwa. Isu akwa means to wash clothes. Suakwa means wash clothes. Surakwa means washed clothes. Na suakwa means is washing clothes. Ga suakwa means we wash clothes. Asugakwa means has washed clothes. Asuriakwa means did not wash clothes. Anaghị asụ akwa means is not washing clothes. Agaghị asụ akwa means will not wash clothes. Asụbeghị akwa has not washed clothes. Okay, so this is very simple. Now to make sentences with isu akwa, all you need to do is to add a subject to the verb, which can either be a pronoun or a noun. It's so straightforward. Now look at the example. Ha na-asụ akwa. Ha is a pronoun. You just add it at the beginning of the sentence. It means they are washing clothes. Ngozi sụrụ akwa. Ngozi is a name. You say Ngozi washed clothes. Anyị asụgo akwa means we have washed clothes. Ngaghị asụ akwa means I will not wash clothes. Tunde asụbeghị akwa. Tunde has not washed clothes. Unu anaghị asụ akwa. You are not washing clothes. Okay, so it's that simple. Just put the name of the person you want to use the verb with, and then you make the sentence. And the second one today is ịga njem. Ịga njem means to travel. To travel. Now, this verb has a similarity with the verb to go, but travel is means that you are on a long journey. So ịga njem means to travel. Ga njem means travel. Gara njem means traveled. Na-aga njem is traveling. Ga-aga njem will travel. Agago njem has traveled. Agaghị njem did not travel. Anaghị aga njem is not traveling. Agaghị aga njem will not travel. Agabeghị njem has not traveled. Okay? Now, to make sentences with ịga njem, all you need to do is to add a subject, which could either be a pronoun or a name, before the verb. Also, if you wish to say the specific place where you're going to or where you're traveling to, remove njem from the sentence and add the name of the place. Okay, you're going to understand it as I go to give you examples right now. Now, look at the examples. Anyị na-aga njem. We are traveling. Okay? Anyị na-aga China. Now you see, we are going to China. So you can see when I removed njem in the second sentence, I added China because I'm specific about where I am traveling to. So that's what I mean. So if you don't want to say anyị na-aga njem, but you want to be specific, you say anyị na-aga China. Okay? Ifeoma gaa njem. Ifeoma travel. Okay? Ekene agabeghị njem. Ekene has not traveled. Ị naghị aga njem. You are not traveling. Okay, now try this. Make sentences with this. Don't just write them out, use them. I always tell you that if you don't use what you're learning, you will forget all of them. So let's go and try this. Ga sụọ akwa. Asụghị akwa. Sụọ akwa. Gara njem. agaghị aga London. Okay? So, that's where we're going to end it today. Make sure you practice these two verbs, akwa and njem, until we meet again next week. Daalụ.